Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to this channel. So in this video, I can show you one website where you guys can publish a very high quality guest posting over on this website. So you guys can see this website name is msnho.com, and you guys will see recently just now I published one blog over there, and this is my blog. I can show you what are the benefit of permanent hiring, and this is my inserted backlink. So I can open this article. So you guys will see this is my guest post URL. You guys will see it's a perfect landing page URL. There you guys can see this is a blog directory, and this is my perfect blog landing page URL, and you guys can see this is a landing page title, and there I have inserted our website URL. So I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality do follow with a guest posting backlink, and it's a 100% free guest posting. So you guys have to consider for your guest posting backlink creation strategy. Okay, so now we can start. So simply I can go to open my another account, another Google account. Yeah, okay, so there we can go now to copy this website URL, and you guys will see this is a website URL, and you guys can see this website domain authority is 44 and the spam score is only 12%. So it's a considerable. It's not going to impact your website authority and another things. So you guys have to consider for the guest posting. So now we can start. So there you guys have to paste it, and you guys can generate your fresh article to publish on that website. Okay, so I can want to pick article throughout my website, but the things, because right now I don't have time to generate article, then I can want to create video. So you guys have to only follow the process how we can publish our article over this website. So this is a website dashboard. So you guys can see there is a create new account button. You guys have to click over there. And I wanted to simple request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys will do something from your side. Okay, so in the username section, there you guys can add your company username. There you guys can add your email addresses. There you guys can choose your passwords, and if you want to update any kind of banner image, so you guys will also do. So suppose that there you guys can choose your glean traffic, and if possible you can use a person name. So it's going to make a citation and the nav for the robot verification. Okay, then after that you guys have to choose your membership type, supplier, buyer, or the SNS. So simply you guys can choose a supplier, whatever is match your criteria. So you guys can choose. There you guys have to verify your captcha. Then after that you guys have to click for the create a new account button. So you guys will see registration successful. You are now logged in, and after that you guys will see there is your button. So simply you guys have to go with there now my account section. Then after that you guys can found there is a button for the view blog and the add new content. So there you guys have to click over there, and after that you guys will see there is a blog entry button. You guys have to click over there, and there you guys can see there is a title and the body button. So simply you guys have to add your blog title, and after that there you guys have to follow the process. So how you guys will optimize your article. So simply you guys have to, so this is my blog Glean traffic. I'm not going to publish. I'm going to publish for the Glen recruiter. So I can show you the process how you guys will publish your guest posting over there over on this website. So I'm just picking one article throughout my website. Actually I'm just copying the content throughout my website. But your case is you guys have to generate a fresh article and your all of your stuff, so it should be going to index your backlink. Because I noticed on this website, this is a best website, and also your blog and the article are going to index very quickly or easily over there over on this website. So this is my blog title, so I can go to paste it over there, and after that you guys have to copy your content, overall content, and you guys have to take a help for the chat GPT or the cloudy AI. Okay, so there I can go to write a prompt. What kind of a prompt I used? Convert into blog HTML. Okay, so this is my prompt. So there you guys have to paste it your overall content. Then after that you guys have to click for the enter button, and this AI tool will generate your blog HTML format, your blog HTML formatting. So simply you guys have to follow this process. Then after that okay, so now we are able to copy. So you guys have to copy your code, and then after that you guys have to paste it over there, and you guys have to simply use in filtered in HTML. There you guys have to paste it your code, and after that you guys can click for the preview button, and you guys can try to see check. So there is your this code is visible. This is basically CSS code, so you guys have to remove these things. The benefits of permanent hiring. Okay, so simply we can this is the title, and from there I can go to remove all the stuff. Okay, so if you guys can created these things, then after that how you guys will add your website URL over this website over this content. So simply you guys can use HTML hyperlink attribute. So simply you guys can type HTML hyperlink, then this website can give you a link text format. So this is a format, so I know how I optimize. So simply you guys have to choose your keyword. So there you guys can paste it your a href, then you guys have to there you guys can add your website URL. So permanent hiring, I'm just copied this. Okay, so there you guys have to paste it, then you guys can close. Okay, so you guys have to use this syntax for the link insertion. So simply you guys have to there you guys can add your website URL, your targeted URL, and there you guys can choose your targeted keyword, and then you guys have to paste it over this your near about your keyword. Okay, so these things I have optimized. So you guys have to, if you want to add a multiple backlink, so you guys have to choose your keyword. There you guys can do the same things. Okay, once you guys can complete this process, then after that you guys have to click for the save button, and your guest post will going to live now. So you guys will see this is our guest post backlink, and you guys have to see this is our blog directory, and this is a website msnho.com, and this is our overall landing page blog landing page URL, and I can show you this is our backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, so it's a high quality guest post backlink. So now simply we can go with a home page section. So there you guys can see this is our backlink. What are the benefits of permanent hiring, and you guys will see what are the benefits of permanent hiring. So there we have published our guest post, and if you guys can click, then you guys can go with a landing page your landing page URL. So this is the process of guest posting on this website. So if you guys have watched a full video, so you guys have to do the like and subscribe. Okay, sorry for that. And if you guys watching till and so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily all the things. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side if you want. Okay yaar. So and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So okay yaar, bye bye, take care.